This is MLOCT IT Lesson 4 on Adobe Acrobat. For this, you will need to have downloaded from Lesson 3 the 12 PDF documents that you use for e-litigation, and make sure that they are on your desktop in a folder with your name in it. So save all these documents on the desktop in a folder with your name on it. So now we go to IT Lesson 4 and we click on the instructions TP Adobe Acrobat 2018. This opens up a Microsoft Word document which you can read. Also print it out for your own reference. I'm opening it on screen so that I can talk you through it. When you open up this document, you will find that it contains a table of contents at the front. And you will see there's a table of contents where you can jump to pages. You can also see there will be a navigation bar in your left hand side where you can jump down to where the deliverables are. You can see that there are click on it, 1 deliverable, 2 deliverable, 3 and 4. And each of these deliverables are marked in a box. So read through this information on what is Adobe Acrobat, because this is going to be important for your exam or test on this subject. So remember, you can be tested on these items. What is Adobe Acrobat? More instructional things like Chapter 1 compared to PDF are not the kind of things that will ask you in the test, but it's not more going to be what is Adobe Acrobat. And then for Chapter 1, it's just information for you to use while you are working on deliverable 1. So there are several exercises you can try going through all of these until you get to Chapter 2. It also tells you how to move pages around. And at the end of Chapter 2, it tells you deliverable 1. You're going to combine the 12 PDF documents and the affidavit. Also remember, you need to download the affidavit, which is attached to Lesson 4, into one single PDF document. And you're going to look to page 9, combining PDF files, which is also called subheader F. With the navigation bar in the left hand side of your Microsoft Word, you can click on F and it shows you Adobe can combine multiple files into a single PDF file. So let's open up Adobe Acrobat DC. When you look at this, there's actually Acrobat Reader and Adobe Acrobat. There is a lot of difference. If you open Acrobat Reader, you can only read PDF files. You cannot edit them. This is no use for your tutorial. Okay? So do not open Acrobat Reader. Do not try and do this tutorial at home, because chances are you only have the Acrobat Reader. Adobe Acrobat DC is a paid-for product. Unless your office has it, then you can try in your office. You need to use Adobe Acrobat DC. I say this several times because one of the most common problems when people ask me, how come when I open my screen is different, I can't do this function, I can't do that function, is because they opened the wrong program. They opened the Reader instead of Adobe Acrobat DC. So let's open Adobe Acrobat DC. We're going to follow the instructions. And we're going to do create. When you click on tools, this screen will appear and you choose create PDF. And you can create PDF for multiple files, or you can also choose the other one. And so you can combine files, a single PDF for multiple files, which is what you want to do. And the combined files dialog will appear. You can add files using the drop down, or you can drag and drop them here and arrange them in the order that you want. The drop down is on top. Add files. It goes to your desktop, your folder with your name on it. Select all. I didn't download all 12, I just downloaded 6, but you need to download all 12 and the file affidavit as well. So now they appear in order. Remember, for the deliverable, they must be arranged in chronological order, which means by date. I'm going to delete the page which is an attendance note and the page which is an email from the client to law firm, because these are privileged. How do I do this? I will refer to page 11, manipulating pages, in order to do this. It's quite simple. The document that I want to delete, if I just click it once, I will see a trash can appear, and I click on the trash can, that particular document is gone. So now document 1 is gone, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I am just clicking to show you that they can be deleted. You make sure that you delete the correct one, don't delete the wrong one. Then from here, save this combined file as exhibit and affidavit and exhibits.pdf. Do not print it yet. In order to combine them, you click on the button in the top right hand corner called combine. Now it's all combined, and the file name that's given is binder1. You don't want that. You click on save and you save it as, in the file name folder, you click it and you save it as affidavit and exhibits PDF. This, do not print this yet. Move on to deliverable 2. Excuse me, move on to deliverable 1 continued. So deliverable 1 continued is you number all the pages in the top right hand corner using the instructions. Then you print the result. So how are you going to number all of the pages? Just below deliverable 1 are a set of instructions on how to use Bates numbering. So you're going to use the tool organize pages, select the file and open the file exhibits, and then use more, the ribbon more, to select Bates numbering. So remember, your file is already open, affidavit and exhibits.pdf. Choose tools, organize pages, and then in the top ribbon, in the top right corner of top ribbon, there's this thing called more, and you're going to choose Bates numbering, and you're going to add Bates numbering. You're going to add it to this file. Okay. And now you get to choose what kind of Bates numbering you want to choose. You want the page number to appear in the top right hand corner, so that's the top right header text. So you click there and you insert the Bates number. And in this example, they've given you 6 digits and the starting number is 1. Let's give a prefix which is your initial so that we know you created this. And now a Bates number is going to appear in the top right hand corner of every page of this document. So if you zoom in on them, you will see that now there is a number on the top right hand corner of every page with your initial on it. So that's the end of deliverable number 1. Print the result and file it in your IT project file. Watch the next video for deliverable number 2.